Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Marvel Spider-Man 2 game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your subtitle settings. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Spider-Man 2 game on your device. And once you open it up, you can start playing your missions right away. Now, if you would like to change the subtitle setting, then you may pause the game if you're already playing, and then you will see the settings button. Go ahead and click on it, and now tap on Subtitles and Captions. Within this menu, you can now change your text language, as well as turn on or turn off subtitles. You can also change the size of your subtitle and also define the color that you would like it to be displayed in. You may check the preview at the right side to see how it looks. And there is also the option to enable caption for sound effects. After enabling or disabling your subtitle and choosing your desired language, you can simply go back and resume your game, and your settings will be applied right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the subtitle settings on the Marvel Spider-Man 2 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.